Where should you file your green card case? Inside the United States or outside? Hi, I'm attorney Alicia Morgan of Immigration Lawyers USA. If you have the option to file from either inside the United States or from outside, there are a few things you need to take into account. First, if you're outside the United States and you've been living there and working there, and it's really important for you not to lose your income, you don't have, for example, a way to work remote, you may want to consider filing outside the United States because you're going to have that continuous income. You could ideally still come and visit your family member inside the US while the case is pending, as long as you're able to prove to them that you do have a non-immigrant intent, meaning you prove that you're still working, you're still living abroad while the case is pending. Another reason you may want to consider filing outside the US is that you have business you need to take care of. Maybe you're studying, maybe you're trying to finish a degree, or you have someone that you need to take care of, like a family member. Then that's another reason you may want to file from outside the United States with consular processing. However, there are some drawbacks to filing from outside the United States. It takes a long time. It used to be much faster before COVID, but after COVID, all the embassies are still very behind. So for that reason, the time it takes is going to be maybe 3 times and even more, depending on where you file, what it would take if you filed from inside the United States. So who should file or consider filing inside the United States? That would be anyone who doesn't want to be separated from their family member, right? If it's your spouse or maybe a child, you'd like to not be separated from them. Filing from inside the United States will give you that option that you're not separated during the process. It's also beneficial that you have the ability to get the green card much faster. So right now inside the United States, it is many times faster to do it inside as opposed to outside, because there are processing times that are being improved with the ability, for example, to skip the interview altogether in marriage-based cases and other cases that they're able to get enough evidence through the mail. So it's just a lot faster to do it inside the United States. So that's a good plus to doing the green card inside the United States. A drawback to doing the green card inside the United States is that you need to wait 2 months before you file the application, because if you get married or you file the case too soon, you could be violating your non-immigrant intent on your visa. So you're going to wait 2 months before you file, and then you're going to have the time that it takes for your case to be processed. During that time, you should not work or travel. So for people who don't have an ability to wait for the time that it takes that travel permit and work permit or the green card to come, those people, it would be better for you to file from outside the United States. Give us a call at 305-501-0783 if you'd like to discuss which is the better option for your specific case. Thanks.